Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to create this animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one, select all of them layers without background and hide for now. And first select this moon, let's enable and go to anchor point. Let's move the anchor point down and clickation tool, and let's press P, open position. Let's create new position keyframe and move it down, and let's enable title action save and go to 10 keyframes. For shortcut you can press hold shift, press page down in keyboard and move it up. Go to 10 keyframes again, move it down. Let's zoom to here. Again, go to 10 keyframes. Let's move it up. Again 10 keyframes, move it down. So select keyframes and make it easy. Right click keyframe assistant, easy, or click F9. And let's preview animation. Okay, select these last 3 keyframes, hold Alt and move to left. And select all keyframes, go to graph editor. Let's go to first second, zoom to graph with plus button keyboard and choose middle keyframe. Let's move to left. And also let's move to right. Let's see. Okay, select middle keyframe, let's move to right more. And also this keyframe moved right for realistic falling animation. Okay, that's good. So let's back to keyframes and create shadow. Go to shape layers, hold this icon and choose ellipse tool. And let's create ellipse tool like this. And we have only stroke color. Let's fix it. Go to stroke width, change 0. And fill, let's open and use eyedropper for background color and change to dark background color. Click OK. And change name shadow and move to behind of layer moon. Let's clickation tool and move to like this. So in this time let's press S, open scale and change scale 0. Go to first second, create scale keyframe, go to next keyframe. Let's change scale like this. Let's see. Okay, go to next keyframe, change 100. Go to here, change 95. Again, go to last keyframe, 100. And make keyframes easy. Go to graph editor, make graph like this moon. Okay, let's preview. Nice. So back to keyframes and let's add grid for beautiful background. Choose background, layer, new and solid layer. Add name grid. And okay, go to FS, press search effect grid. Use grid for grid solid layer. And let's use eyedropper for choose background and color. Let's change like this. And size form, let's choose width slider and change slider like this. And let's turn off title action save for now and change opacity like this. Also border 3. Okay. So let's search effect glow, use glow for moon and change glow settings. Okay, that's good. So let's see. Okay, in this time let's enable stars 5, star 4, 3, 2 and 1 and choose this moon. Let's copy glow effect and use glow effect for all stars. Ctrl V for paste. Okay, now let's right click, pre-compose, add name stars and okay. And choose these stars, press R, open rotation and let's hold Alt, click this time icon and right here time 12. And for down expression, click empty area. Let's see. Okay, this very slowly. Let's change this 35. Not bad. And also start to hold Alt, click time icon, write time and 45 for more speedily. Nice, but let's double click for edit and go to 45 right here, minus for turn to left. That's good. Again, star 3, hold Alt, click time icon, write time 28. And star 4, hold Alt, click time icon, write time, star 30. 62. Nice. And this star, and hold Alt time icon, write time star 29. So this numbers is randomly. You can write here what you want. Okay. So let's go to window. Animation comes here. If you have not animation comes here, I will add a link on the description below how to use this plugin, and choose these stars. Go to browse animation presets. Let's open motion presets, 2D transitions and scale. Let's see, choose scale overshot or bounce. Okay, overshot is good. Let's choose and in. Close window. Let's see. Nice. For slowly bounce animation, choose these marks and move to right. Also this mark and this and this one. Let's see. Okay, let's close window and let's see here. Nice. We can choose these stars and move to right. Move to right more. Okay, let's open compensation and choose these stars. Let's close settings and move to right for randomly scale animation or bounce animation. Okay, close window. Nice. So now let's enable another layers. For example, clouds. Choose cloud 1, enable, and cloud 2, enable, and cloud 3. So choose these clouds. Let's enable this icon for see path. And let's animate these clouds. First, go to first icon and choose these all clouds. Press P and let's create new path in keyframes. First cloud, let's move to left, and cloud 3, move to left also, and cloud 2, move to right, and go to middle. Let's choose cloud 2, move to like this center, and cloud 3, move to like this, and cloud 1, also move to center. And choose keyframes of clouds. Right click keyframe ascent, easy is go to graph editor and make the graph smooth. Also this graph. Let's see. Okay, back to keyframes and let's add randomly animation. And keyframes, move to left. Let's move to left more. And choose these 3 layers, move to right. Let's move to left a little bit to right. Okay, select keyframes, back to again graph editor. Let's make graphs like this flow smoothly. Okay, not bad. And this, let's move to here. Nice. So let's close settings and choose this place. Let's enable and move to down and press P. Let's move to right this layer and create new path in keyframe. Move to down and go to 10 keyframes. Move to up. Again 10 keyframes. Move to down. Again 10 keyframes. Move to up. Again move to down and again move to up. So we can follow these points for bounce animation. Choose these keyframes and make it easy. And choose work area for see only this part. And let's preview. Okay, not bad. But let's go to second keyframe. Move up a little bit to up. Okay, perfect. So in this time, let's see timing, and now we can use this place. That's good. So in this time, for hide this part, let's go to create new layer, new and solid layer. Add name mask and okay. Let's move to here. And now let's choose this mask and move it up like this. For show only this part, not here. and choose this place. If you don't see this part, you can click toggle switch modes like this and go to matte. Let's drag matte to mask and let's see. Okay, we can't see anything here. Let's click this icon for Lume Matte and here we go. We can see only this part and this part is hidden. That's good. Let's preview. Okay, perfect. Okay, for final, let's choose these stars. Let's enable and right click, pre-compose, add name stars 1 and okay. And go to first second, choose this layer and press T. Let's create opacity keyframe. Go to 1 keyframe or 2. For go to frame by frame keyframes, you can click page down keyboard. And right here is 0. Again, 2 keyframes, right 100. Let's see. Okay, choose this keyframe and let's hold Alt Move right for more slowly. And hold Alt click time icon. Go to play button, property and loop out duration. For down expression, click this empty area. For loop animation. And choose these stars. Let's Control D. And let's move to down like this. And move to right this layer. Okay, that's good. It's very easy. Again, let's Control D, press S, change scale. And move to here. Let's change scale a little bit. And move to right. That's good. And just close window. And let's see. Nice. We can change scale for full screen. And use glow. Let's choose this moon. And copy glow. Use for stars. Okay, we can press T. Change opacity. Nice. And for final, let's choose these all layers. Click toggle switch modes. And enable motion blur. And here we go, that's all. So guys, thanks for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments and have a good days. Good luck.